First, as our usual process for cleaning the dishes, I start by removing any food particles or remnants that stuck to the plates. After removing food remnants, I begin washing using soap. It is important to scrub it properly in order to remove the grease that clings to the dishes. Now, it's time to rinse. Here, I make sure each plate and cup gets a thorough rinse to make sure it doesn't smell like soap. After washing the dishes, in our usual way, we place the spoon, fork, and ladle in a cauldron pot and put boiled water to eliminate harmful bacteria. Now let's proceed to the table. After we eat, we typically spray a mix of water and a bit of soap and vinegar over the table to prevent grease from accumulating while we eat, and also deters flies from hovering around us. That would be all. Thank you.